Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will not be wearing my face, by the way, just warning. I will be showing y'all my secret little hideout in my neighborhood, aka my den. So we're just walking there. It's kind of a long walkway from where I live in my house. So yeah, I'm just filming a little bit of me walking there. So now I'm in the grass. I'm really freezing. It smells disgusting over here. It smells like dead fish. So, here it is. It's not that big, but like, okay, that's a big fish. But I just wanted to show y'all, sometimes I catch little fish. If you see any fish, see those little things moving around a fish. Okay, I'm gonna try to catch a fish, y'all. With my hand. Nope, I got a baby crawfish. Nope, a little one. I just don't want it to pinch me. Now I'm like soaking wet, and it smells like that fish right now. Okay. See anyone catching me? Okay, guys. Guys, I actually got a fish. No, I gotta get water in it. Fish does die. Bro, I actually got a fish. Oh god. No, the baby. I dropped him. No, bro. No, little bro. Little bro. No. Where does he go? Trying to get him again. Sorry guys, I almost fell in the water. I'm like dying over here. It's only been 7 minutes. No, 2 minutes. Dang. No, it really did not fall down the little water thing. Oh, crap. Where am I? How am I gonna? No. Guys, I almost got the fish. Keep dropping them. They keep swimming. Y'all, they keep swimming under like this thing. And oh, I got a fish. Yeah. So cute. I'm not like keeping the fish or anything. I'm putting them back in the water. There is no like here random noises, either from fish and turtles, or it's either just like the water in the sand. So, I'll show you. I'm not going in this because the other day there was just like spider webs in here. I don't know if you can see, but like there's like lots of spider webs. But there are some big fish in this little thing. Y'all look at the water. Where's the fish? The fish disappeared, y'all. And it smells like a dead fish. I'm serious. It flipping stinks. I got 2 of them, y'all. I got 2 of them. I think y'all saw them. But yeah, I literally got 2 fish. Oh my gosh. So cool. Like, this is like, okay, look. By the way, I accidentally brought my friend's shoes here, so I don't want to get them ruined. So I'm gonna be barefoot in this water. If you go like deep in the water, and then you'll find leaf shoes. Oh no, it's uncomfortable not wearing shoes in here. Like these prickly things. In my feet, and I actually wore my friend's stars on the shoes here. So, I'm sorry, Star. Please don't get mad at me. I forgot. I just grabbed it in my kid's book. So, I got 2 fish, but one slipped out. Can y'all even see this? I think y'all can see the little guy. Yeah. So, we'll just be exploring today. Well, I will. And I'm bringing y'all along with me. So, yeah, this is here. This water is really crusty. Ugh. Why is it so warm? If y'all see like little things floating in the water, that's probably either like moss or I don't know what else. Something. Just gotta say that. Ow. Got a pine cone. Ow, it's spiky. Okay. Sorry, Star, that I'm wearing your shoes though. Just grabbed a random pair of shoes. Again, I keep saying that. So, yeah, but I didn't want to bring because it's like really hot out today. And I'm like dying in the heat over here. But like, it took me like 7 minutes or 10 minutes to walk over here. So that's why now it is. Yesterday I was over here and I almost stepped on a poisonous snake. It was a baby copperhead snake. If you don't know what a copperhead snake is, it's just a poisonous snake. But the baby ones are way more poisonous than the adult ones. And the babies don't know how to control their venom too, so that thing slithered away. Oh my gosh, I screamed like a little girl. Literally. I consider myself as a little girl now, even though I'm an old grandma. Okay, anyways. Sorry for y'all having to see all the like barking. It's probably annoying you. I'm hearing like squeaking from my friend Star's Crocs. So, why is it so hot out today? It's only 11:59. The time is 11:59 in the daytime. It's still morning. And it's super hot. I'm gonna go to this other place that's connected to it. I'm not walking in other people's backyards though. Someone did just call the HOA at me. Oh, okay. Yeah. I don't want to get the HOA called on me. I got the HOA called on me like literally 1,000 times. For just having fun, so. Like for being in the back of a field, old grandparents literally were recording me and my friends and sending it to the. Oh gosh, there's a bird. That bird's real. Birdie. The bird was right on that little stick, you see? It was right there. Pretty bird. I love birds. Fun fact, I actually have a crow stereotype. I don't think I ever said that. I would go burnout stereotype. I'm directly in the sun. Look at that. Here's the sun. I'm literally directly in the sun. And I'm sweating like a hellfire over here. Hell chamber. Chamber of hell. Oh my gosh. I'm really dying. Such a long walk to do. Yeah.